Drama has just escalated with a fresh twist now, with another bag controversy now also unfolding. Now we're seeing a bag protest by the Congress party. Remember, over the last few days we've seen the Congress party leaders come with different bags, and today as well it's no different. Today as well, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra walking in with a bag, drama unfolding outside during the protest when BJP MP Aparajita Sarangi handed over a bag to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, and she took the bag and went in. So this is the bag that was given to her. It says 1984. So the BJP now escalating the protest. This is the bag that has been handed over to the Congress leader, and the message on the bag was 1984, and with blood dripping from it. That is what the bag signifies. My colleague Pragya continues to stay live with us. Pragya, over the last few days, we've seen the Congress leaders arrive with different bags on Adani and Palestine, and now we're seeing the BJP also taking on the same model, but the message on it very clearly says 1984.
Protest, but more than that, it is a message that needs to be sent across by the parties who are doing this protest. And with Congress using the bag like Palestine and also then Bangladesh stand with the minorities, now it is BJP's turn to show the same, to turn the table on Congress and do the same thing with them. And in fact, Aparajita Sarangi and all the women MPs, in fact, they had this bag in their hand that says 1984. Obviously, it's a major issue that BJP accuses Congress of, saying that you only facilitated those riots, and many of the Sikhs were killed during that. And that is the reason why blood is seen dripping from the bag, and they have given it to Priyanka Gandhi because the family was even is being held accountable by the BJP at many point of time for those Sikh genocide. And now, having said that, this is also a larger messaging that has been done. We have seen in this winter session like no other session, both Congress and also opposition parties and the BJP had come across with their creative opposition and also the way of protest. For the larger duration of this winter session, BJP stayed clear of any of the protests. They did not want to rebut or counter any of the allegations made by the opposition and the kind of protests that we saw every single day in the winter session. But this time, when the session was about to be over, BJP decided that they need to take the Congress head on. They need to ensure that the narrative that they are setting, which they believe is a fake, should be dismantled and should not get any roots and should not be used against the BJP, because they believe that it's been long that Congress has been setting this false narrative against the BJP, and it is time to dismantle them. And the way to dismantle them is to give them the taste of their own medicine, and that is why the BJP made this strategy that they too would protest yesterday in huge number, and that they would take on the narrative battle that Congress has took to their doors literally.
Okay, all right. So Pragya, can you tell us what happened, when this bag with the 1984 riots message was given to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra? Can you tell us in that sequence what happened?
So what we know that she took the bag and she went on, just like what many of the BJP leaders did when they were given this Ambedkar placard and also a card. Inside that, Desh ko nahi bikne denge was the message, and not many of the BJP leaders knew that this is the message that has been written inside. They took it because there was also a national flag on it. Similarly, she also took it and went away. This is what we have gathered from the sources right now, and the details of it, if there is anything that she said after going away from there, will come very soon.
Okay, all right, Pragya, we'll come back to you for that update. Just want to play out for our viewers the visuals that you're seeing on the screens. The BJP MP is seen holding this bag that has 1984 written on it. You can see blood dripping from it. That's the design of the bag with a clear message on the 1984 riots. That's the message that the BJP MP wanted to give out. On the right side of your screens are the visuals where she is seen handing over that bag to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. In fact, when the BJP MP was asked about what was the message she wanted to give out, here's what she said.
एक मिनट रुक जाना भैया, अब सर अपराजिता सारंगी जी हमारे साथ हैं। प्रियंका गांधी रोज अलग अलग बैग लेकर आती थी, आज आप एक बैग लेकर आई थी, आपने उनको दिया भी, नाराज क्यों हो गई प्रियंका गांधी?
देखिए, उन्हें बैग को लेकर चलने की आदत है और उन्हें अच्छे लगते हैं अच्छे अच्छे बैग, नए बैग। तो उसी क्रम में आज मैंने और मेरे साथ कुछ सांसदों ने उन्हें बैग प्रेजेंट किया। वो जूट का बैग था, बहुत सुंदर बैग है, उस पर 1984 राइट लिखा है, रक्त के बूंद है। ऐतिहासिक त्रुटियों को कांग्रेस के समक्ष उपस्थापित करना ही पड़ेगा, यह हमारा उद्देश्य है। अमित शाह जी, हमारे आदरणीय गृह मंत्री जी की जो 90 मिनट की स्पीच थी, उसका उद्देश्य था, जो निहित था, उद्देश्य जो निहित था वो यह था कि कांग्रेस के सामने उनकी ऐतिहासिक गलतियों को रखा जाए, अनवेल द फेस ऑफ द कांग्रेस बिफोर द पीपल ऑफ द कंट्री, एंटी अम्बेडकर, एंटी संविधान, एंटी रिजर्वेशन टू। तो आज उसी क्रम में 1984 की जो घटनाएं हुई थी और उसके जो कहा था, मैं याद दिलाना चाहती थी मेरे साथ मेरे सांसद मित्रों ने।
अपराजिता जी, एक आखिरी सवाल, पहले आपने बैग दिया क्या?
In fact, we have Aparajita Sarangi joining us over the phone line. Thank you for joining us. Ms. Aparajita Sarangi, tell us about the bag that you handed over to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. What was the message that you wanted to send out?
See, historical errors have to be put forth before the Congress. And that was the reason I gifted the bag to her. With me, there were many honorable members of parliament. And we thought this bag would be befitting. It was a jute bag with 1984 Dange written on it. In fact, it was a Congress rule when that disaster had happened. Very unfortunate things had happened. Hundreds and thousands of families had been affected. And it was indeed a big tragedy which had hit the country in 1984. It is our bounden duty to see that all the historical errors committed by Congress in the 55 years of their rule should be brought before them, one after the other. And that is why I must say that in the Rajya Sabha, when Honorable Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji delivered his 90-minute speech, he did try to unveil the face of the Congress before the people of the country. And he showed as to how the Congress has been anti-Ambedkar, anti-constitution and anti-reservation. So it's very important for us to ensure that all the historical errors they remember, we don't let them forget so that we don't repeat them. And that is why you can see now that the Bharatiya Janata Party and the NDA are bringing about one reform after the other. All the historical errors are being done away with, are being removed from the system. You remember Article 370 and Article 35A we said goodbye to. We think about the triple talaq bill that we brought inside and we passed it. Now one nation, one election has come. So one after the other, we are trying to bring in reforms in the governance sector. So in that, I would definitely like to say that in line with all this attitude of ours, this intention of ours, we reminded Priyanka Gandhi ji, who is the present generation Congress, to think about the incident of 1984.
Okay, so going back
riots.
to the sins that have been committed by the Congress party, the 1984 riots back to haunt the Congress. But Ms. Aparajita ji, I want to ask you, what was the reaction of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra when you handed over this bag?
No, she accepted it and she walked away with the bag.
So did she see the message that was written on it? Okay, all right. We seem to have lost the line there. But Aparajita Sarangi is saying the message that she wanted to give out was that 1984 riots is an incident that the country will not forget. And these are the sins that the Congress party will have to speak about, will continue to haunt the Congress party. Pragya, we just spoke to the BJP MP as well, and she spoke about the message that the BJP wants to give out, saying this was the message that the Union Home Minister was also trying to send out in the Parliament. When he listed out the sins of the Congress party, that's when they resorted to editing his clip.
And this is the allegation that BJP in fact has been leveled, and in fact you had seen the top leaders coming out and the minister saying that it is an edited clip. This has been done in a very deliberate attempt, and it is also a false narrative that the Congress has been trying to set up. In fact, if you remember Lok Sabha election, BJP also accused Congress of setting a very false narrative, a disinformation campaign, I would say, that they started against BJP trying to, in fact, change the constitution is what they were saying. So they knew that what damage it could do to their electoral, gains or victories, whatever the result may be. But more than that, there is an attempt by the BJP to say that this is a false narrative. We are trying to tell you again and again. And then, this is the time that we are calling it out. And this is the reason why you had seen the treasury benches, MPs also protesting, giving the opposition the taste of its own medicine, also using their own tactic on them by, having a protest in front of the Makador, which is the entrance. And BJP is very strategically doing it, saying that this is the time that we should call you out on your disinformation campaigns and this narratives that that you started off, and we will never let it happen. We will tell you, we will tell the people how insultive you have been of Baba Ambedkar, and this cannot be taken, the fact cannot be taken away from the people as well. If you go to the people, we will also go to the people and tell you what Congress did to Baba Ambedkar.
Okay, all right. Pragya, thank you for joining us. So the showdown only continues. We saw what happened in the Lok Sabha. Look at the visuals on your screens. A bag with the message 1984 riots being given to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra by the BJP MP Aparajita Sarangi. And this bag was handed over to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. On the right side, look at the visuals. The moment when the BJP MP gave this bag, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra takes the bag and then starts walking away. This comes after, remember, over the last several days, the Congress MP has been coming to the parliament with various bags, including this bag that you're seeing that carried a message for Palestine. She had carried a bag that said Palestine in solidarity with the cause, after which the BJP had slammed her and said she should also speak up for Bangladesh. The next day, she had arrived in the parliament with a bag that also had a message for Bangladesh. And then now you have it, the BJP responding to this bag policy of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra with handing over a bag of the 1984 riots. So we are seeing the escalation of the high voltage drama within the parliament and outside as well. We continue getting you these updates. Very quick break. We'll be right back with lots more. Do stay with us.